to my channel. My name is Mandy. Thank y'all so much for being here. Today's video is going to be super duper fun. I have been waiting for this box to arrive for a couple of weeks now. It finally came today, so I figured I would knock this sucker out and we would have a lot of fun doing it. So this is going to be a Knotty Knickers or Knotty Knickers subscription unboxing. If you haven't heard of Knotty Knickers, they are a monthly subscription box where you can get lots of different undies, tantalizing undies, G-strings, thongs, and not so thongs in the mail from $3.99 all the way up to $10.48. So it is a once a month. You could do it multiple months. You can do really however you want to do it. Now, I had originally gotten this video idea from watching a friend of mine's video here on YouTube. Her name is Jenny June. She is an absolute doll. I love her so much. I am subscribed to her. She is subscribed to me. And I just love the content that she puts out. She does all types of videos. She does unboxings. She does try-ons. She does plus size try-ons. She does like Allure unboxings. It's really, really interesting. And she puts out a lot of content every single week. So if you haven't yet checked her out, I will leave all of her information down in the description box below, as well as a little tabby tab right here, so you can please check her out, because I am trying to get her to past 1,000 subscribers. She deserves every bit of success. She is absolutely wonderful. And she filmed this video a couple of weeks ago, which has inspired me to subscribe to this panty subscription box. So yeah, kudos to her. It is a phenomenal video. She's just so cute. Check her out if you'd like to. So if you're interested in checking out this Knotty Knickers subscription box, seeing the little tantalizing pantaloons, then please keep on watching. So this is what the subscription box looks like. It's not technically a box at all. It is a standard white envelope. I'm not really sure if this is how it comes like consecutively every month, or if they just ran out of boxes. I'm not really sure. I thought I remembered them coming in like the cute little like Allure type boxes, but I could be wrong. I watch a lot of YouTube, so I mean, they all kind of run together. But this package right here ran me about $25. You have 3 separate options when it comes to the panties. I have some notes here, so if you see me looking down, that's what I'm looking at. You have the sugar and spice option, which is the mixed bag of no thongs and thongs / G-strings. Then you have the nice package, which is consecutively no thongs. Then you have the naughty package, which is all thongs and G-strings. Now, they range between $3.99, if I didn't mention this before, they range from $3.99 for 1 pair of undies to $10.48 for 3 pairs of undies. So you can choose sugar and spice, nice package, or the naughty package. For shits and giggles, I decided to get 2 of the packages. So I got the sugar and spice package, which I said before is the no thongs and the thongs. And I also got the naughty package, which is the thongs and the G-strings. You could also get the naughty extras, which range between about $8.99 and $20. And that's sort of like loungewear type of stuff. So you can get like bralettes, you can get panty sets. I think you can get shorts and stuff. I'm not really sure, but it's between $8.99 and $20. And those are the add-ons if you want to do that as well. Like I said before, this was about $25 with shipping because I picked out 2. So it was $10.48 plus $10.48. So this content should be 6 pairs of underwear. So without further delay, because I'm procrastinating, let's get into the contents of this package right away. So let's see what we got here. So this is what the contents of the subscription box looks like. It's like a confetti cake of underwear, and I ain't complaining. I love that so much. And I will say that they are very inclusive in their sizing. I think it goes from like a extra small all the way up to a size 3X. And make sure you look at the size chart, because I was able to pick these out in a size extra large. So I wear a size between an 18 and a 20. Extra large seems to fit the bill quite nicely. I could have probably sized up to a 1X, but I don't want like saggy draws. So we just went with an extra large and went for the safe side. So the first pair of undies that I picked out look just like this. And I'm not really sure if this is a cloud or if it's tie-dye, but they are really cute. They're very nice and stretchy. And I think these are probably made of 100% polyester, which, yeah, you know, it's not really my favorite thing. No, they're made of 95% cotton and 5% spandex. That's really good because, you know, polyester does not do good things for the undercarriage for ladies. So the next pair of Knotty Knickers that they included in my subscription box is quite naughty for sure. And this is what they look like. And this is a really pretty white G-string. Very, very nice, very revealing, very naughty. And this is what the back looks like. I probably will not be wearing those, but you know, they're good in a pinch, I guess. This is what the third pair of panties that they included in this subscription box. These are really pretty blue thongs, and they have quite a strappy, stretchy detail on the sides here, which would fit a wide range of people, to be honest. So if you wear probably a 2X to even an extra large, I think these would probably be very versatile for you. And then this is what the back of them looks like. And then the next pair is also a thong, and these are really pretty and yellow. So really pretty yellow color. Once again, they're very nice and stretchy. These will fit a wide range of people. This is what the back of them look like. So very nice thongs there. And then the next pair doesn't look like thongs at all. No, it's not. So this is what they look like. And these are really pretty, kind of a lilac-y pastel purple. Very, very cute. A little bit on the see-through side, which is really nice. These are made of 70% polyamide, 30% spandex. So once again, very nice and stretchy. And I guess this is like a polyamide crotch as well. And then the final pair is once again not a thong. So this is what they look like. And these are really, really cute. So these are like a light, kind of a baby pink color. They have quite a big crotch area to them. So all this is see-through at the top here. And then the bottom is very crotch heavy. And then the back of them look like this. So it kind of looks like a diaper. These are made of 95% cotton and 5% spandex, which, how is this cotton? So yeah, I'm guessing this part right here, like this diaper area, is the cotton part, which I can appreciate. That's always good. So yeah, that was the Knotty Knickers subscription box unboxing. I would say for $3.99 a pair. I mean, like, would you say that these are $3.99 worth? Probably not. But you know, these might be worth $3.99. So, you know, it's fun. It's all in fun. If you want to give somebody a gag gift, if you want to give somebody sort of a bachelorette gift, that would be something to definitely give them, because it's all in fun. I wouldn't say that this was like something you want to get consecutively over and over again. It's more like a novelty item. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video and had a lot of fun. I know I did. Thank y'all once again so much for watching. I always appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay healthy, and I'll be seeing y'all very, very soon. Bye.